Brake lights on the old style taillights. Upgrade the lights. This is the brake lights. That's the parking lights. And the turn signals. Here's a video of the locking. Locking again. Alright, here's the new ones installed. Got the brake light on and the turn signal and the lights. Doesn't have the four-door sports car emblem on the side. I think they eliminated that on the newer year Maximas. Doesn't appear to be any hyper flash or anything like that with turn signals. They're about $280 for both of them on Amazon. They're eagle eye tail lights, so let's see how long they last. Now I do need to change out these in the middle, but the ones I got, one of them was broken, so I sent them back. But I need to update the reverse lights yet. Looks a lot better than the factory ones for sure.